blessed us together, so it is amazing. It's amazing, and I can't express that feeling unless someone can be there to share it and to enjoy it. It's wonderful, and I would really thank God for it again.
How did it feel to hold her for the first time?
First time, it's amazing. Oh my God, it's like tears were in the eyes, and I was like just hugging her and couldn't let go of her, just wanted to accept us, that was the main thing. Since she's so little and she's new to the country, new to the place, and new to family, and everything is strange for her, so we just wanted her to be happy, and we discussed together, me and my husband, if she doesn't feel right, or if she doesn't accept us in the right way, we would definitely send her back, because that's the right thing to do. Because the child should be happy, she must be the focus, and she must be the target for everything in life. So we really appreciate and thank you very much for having me here, so that I can share this joyous moment with everybody. It's amazing.
No, I can see the happiness on your face. It just radiates. आपको देख के पता चलता है that joy is from the inner self. And I've known Asha ਨੂੰ मैं काफ़ी सालों तो जाननी आ, so it's really nice. I'm glad कि आज ਅਸੀਂ बैठ के इसके बारे में गल कर सकते, and we can experience this joy with you and share it with our viewers. And of course, जिस तरह आशा ने किया, अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ adoption ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ सोच रहे हो, give a child a chance. Of course, अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ सोच रहे हो, think about it, discuss it. It's a very nice experience, as Asha can tell you. It's been absolutely wonderful for her. Let's take some calls, Asha, and see who our lucky winner is going to be. Our fifth caller is going to be our lucky winner.
Oh, wow.
Hello, you're on the Sat Sri Akal, you're on the air now. Hello? Can you hear us? Okay, if you're calling us, and of course, agar ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੀ TV ਦਾ ਆਵਾਜ਼ volume high ਹੈਗਾ, I definitely can't hear you. So you can feel free to call us, because we're giving away the tickets, 2 tickets in Manhattan for Ocean of Pearls, which will be running all next week. So feel free, of course, to give us a call. Now, Asha, I know we're almost out of time.
Sure.
One quick thing. I know we've spoken about your experience and everything else. I'll ask you one more thing. What if kal ko you have a child? Okay, आपने adopt किया. You have a child. How would you feel about that? And अगर आपको कोई कहे अब आके कि you know what, you can have another adoption, because you had mentioned कि you want to still adopt another child to give a child a chance, जिसको अगर आप उसे अच्छी ज़िंदगी दे सकते हो. There's so many kids out there that need that. How would you do that? How do you still feel about that? Are you still thinking?
I'm still excited. I'm still excited because I'm still trying to learn a lot of things.
Of course.
From her, as well as trying to realize how nice experience this is for me. So I would definitely think over that doing another adoption for another child out of the family is good too. So that we can spread the good news. And also, I would think adoption is the best also, because even if I have the child of my own, but she would always be the first, because she shared her love with me first.
Absolutely.
And I experienced the motherhood through her. So she would always come first in life, and doesn't matter if she has a brother, it would be an added blessing. Exactly. I would say that God has blessed another child, and she can have a brother and sister whom she can also enjoy and share her sisterhood with them. So I would really love that too. So I'm praying about it, and it's all God's will again.
It's all God's will. Well, Asha, of course, has a big heart. Her and her husband both. दोवां दा काफ़ी वड्डा दिल है कि एक बच्चा अडॉप्ट करन तो बाद भी, now that they experience the joy of being parents, ਉਹ ਚਾਹਣਗੇ कि ਉਹ एक होर बच्चा अडॉप्ट करन ताकि किसी होर बच्चे ਨੂੰ लाइफ अंदर एक चांस मिले that they can help and make it, of course, a wonderful experience for their daughter also. With that, of course, साडा टाइम हो गया almost break दा, ਅਸੀਂ एक होर कॉल लेने आ, and then we're going to show you all the goodies कि इस मदर्स डे ते तुसी अपने मॉम ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਔਰ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਗਿਫਟਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਬਜਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਟ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਮॉम ਨੂੰ ਗਿਫਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ. ਹੈਲੋ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ. Can you hear us? ਓਕੇ ਵਾਂਸ ਅਗੇਨ ਮੈਂ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਾਂਗੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦਾ ਟੀਵੀ ਔਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਔਰ ਮੇਰੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਅੰਦਰ ਡਿਲੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਡੈਫੀਨਿਟਲੀ ਕੈਨਟ hear you. Well, Asha, of course, we're out of time, but I do want to thank you so much कि आप यहाँ आज आए और अपना experience हमारे साथ share किया and of course from all of Just Punjabi viewers and Just Punjabi team की तरफ से और हमारी team की तरफ से a very happy Mother's Day to you and wish you all the best with Karen to you and Winnie.
Thank you so much and very happy Mother's Day to you too.
Thank you.
And to every viewer that's watching today, like I would like to wish them also a very happy Mother's Day and thank you once again for giving me an opportunity to come here and to share our joys and our happiness with you.
Thank you. Let's take our last caller and we'll go right into the break. Sat Sri Akal ji. Hello? Hello? You know what? I for some reason can't hear you. Well, we're going to take a short break. एक छोटा सा break लेके ਅਸੀਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਨੇ ਆ and then we're going to show you ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੇ gifts ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ mother ਨੂੰ, mother-in-law ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂ friends ਨੂੰ gift ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ Mother's Day ਤੇ. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.